One thing I need to update you guys is I fell.
We made it with a bang.
So we've made it with a bang.
Hello wanderers, welcome to our video where you can explore the traveler in you and have fun wherever we go. So please tell me this time, where are we going?
Fine, I'll tell you. So this weekend's adventure, we're going to one of the unexplored waterfalls around Vizag. There are a lot of waterfalls, but this is kind of an underrated waterfall and we are going to explore it through the rugged wanderer's eyes. So please do tag along and have fun along the way.
Streets waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
We've just reached. This is the parking area that you guys can see. We're going to walk towards the falls right now and let's go.
This is Sarugudu Waterfalls.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. Sitting out by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic.
Sarugudu Waterfalls video. I hope you guys had fun as much as we had fun shooting this video for you all. It was quite amazing and relaxing place, guys, and for a weekend getaway it's a wonderful choice.
So please please do check it out and mention in the comments below if you want us to check out any other places around Vizag. We'll surely put it on our list and we'll cover it for you next. Please do like, share and subscribe the video and share it with any of your friends or colleagues who might be looking for a weekend getaway.
And please do follow us on our social media handles as well, so that we'll keep you updated about our upcoming content.
That's it for this weekend, guys. Off to the next adventure. Bye guys.